Hi, and welcome to your contemporary Zen retreat, located in the heart of Monte Sereno.
This is our newest listing, 15548 Kavin Lane. A 2,800 square foot, 5-bed, 3.5 bath home sitting on a level lot of over 16,000 square feet with so many amenities, you'll love it.
Outside, you have a saltwater pool, cedar spa, dry sauna, outdoor shower, and an incredible pavilion with an outdoor kitchen. Attached is a 4K projector and 12-foot screen that descends from the pavilion. You also have a detached studio with a full bath.
Enjoy this awesome tour. No detail has been spared in the smart home's creation in a location that can't be beat.
You're just down the street from Dave's Elementary School, close to parks, and minutes from downtown Los Gatos. It's also a very easy commute location, close to Highway 85 and 17.
Thank you for watching, and we look forward to scheduling a private tour with you.
Until next time.